Theorems regarding polygons and circles for Mathematics 9. We'll be starting by defining theorems. So what are theorems? Theorems are statements that have been proven by basing on previously made statements. Let's start with the theorem about polygons. Polygons interior angle sum theorem. Polygons interior angle sum theorem states that having a convex polygon and regarding its sides as n sides uses n-2 times 180 as its formula in determining the sum of all its interior angles. Having this four-sided polygon, which is a square. Having four equal sides, let's apply the formula n-2 times 180 to this square. 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees, then 2 times 180 equals 360 degrees. To prove the theorem and formula in this square having 4 right angles and 90 degrees each, 90 degrees times 4 equals 360 degrees. Let's have more examples. For example, this three-sided polygon, which is a triangle, we use 3 minus 2 times 180 to solve for the sum of all its interior angles. N minus 2 times 180, 3 minus 2 times 180, 1 times 180 equals 180 degrees. 60 degrees for each. 3 times 60 equals 180 degrees, therefore it's correct. This five-sided polygon, which is a pentagon, having 5 minus 2 times 180 to solve for all its interior angles. N minus 2 times 180, 5 minus 2 times 180, 3 times 180 equals 540 degrees. 108 degrees each. 5 times 108 equals 540 degrees. This 8-sided polygon, which is an octagon, having 8 minus 2 times 180 to solve for all its interior angles. Having n minus 2 times 180, 8 minus 2 times 180, 6 times 180 equals 1080 degrees. 135 degrees each. 135 times 8 equals 1080 degrees. Let's move with theorems regarding circles. The equal arcs chord theorem. Equal arcs chord theorem states that if the measurements of the arcs of the circle are the same, then the measurements of the chords of the circle are also the same. So here is a circle with point A, point B, point C, and point D. Arc AB, arc CD, chord AB, and chord CD. Having all those, we can conclude that arc AB is equal to arc CD and chord AB is equal to chord CD. So here is a circle where we can apply the equal arcs chord theorem. Having arc WX and arc YZ, which are equal, chord WX and chord YZ, which are equal. Arc WX is equal to arc YZ and chord WX is equal to chord YZ. What's the difference between the equal arcs chord theorem and the equal chords arc theorem? Do not be confused. In equal arcs chord theorem, the measurements of the arcs are given first, so that the measurements for the chords would be determined. In equal chords arc theorem, the measurements of the chords are given first, in order to determine the measurements of the arcs.
Created using Powtoon.